My name is Brette, and I am the founder of STUK Designs. This is the F.L.Y Girl program, and F.L.Y stands for First Love Yourself. In this program, you will learn how to draw a face. Each course is very detailed, and we start with the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and then we get into the entire structure of the face. But by the end of this course, you will learn how to draw your own STUK girl. Look at this. I like her. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you're going to need some kind of reference photo, or like I'm using my iPad and using it as a reference photo. Then of course a pencil, I like mechanical, and an eraser. I also like retractable because it, can be reused. And I love kneaded erasers because they erase very clean and smoothly. And then this is a blending tool, if that's your jam. And then, of course, a ruler will help you draw everything straight in perspective and on the right axis. All right, let's go. All right, so let's start with our ruler, and we're going to draw these axis lines. We're first going to do a vertical axis line across the page, and then a horizontal axis line across the page. And then we're going to do a half circle on top, an oval, half oval on top and a half oval on the bottom of the axis line. And then a little circle at the end, which is where the tear duct actually lies and falls. And then, I went in and darkened my light tracing lines a bit, but just a bit, because we still want to keep everything light and airy, so there's room for mistakes and there's room for us to just flow and go with the lines. So next we're going to draw the circle of the eyeball. And that is just a circle in the center of the oval. So you're just going to move your hand in a circular motion until it feels right to you until it looks right to you. But, no circle and no eye is ever perfect. So we're going to do a pupil and then the highlight circle within the pupil. So a circle within a circle within a circle. And then we're going to start darkening the line of the oval on the outside, or the eye. And lightly, just starting to erase the line of the actual eyeball, because externally you do not see, the full eyeball under the skin. So then we're going to go in and draw that little line in front of the tear duct, which, just creates a little bit more realism. And then I'm just going to go in and darken some of my lines. So darkening the pupil line, darkening the eyeball line on the outside. And as you can see, my circle is not perfect. It's okay to make mistakes. Life is about learning and mistakes. So, I erase and I redraw it the right way. And you just keep trying, trial and error, until you get it right. And also just remember, no actual eye has a perfect circle or perfect line. Everyone is different. Everyone is made differently, and that's why art is so beautiful, and that's why each and every person is so beautiful. So then we're going to, I did these outward little lines of the eye just to make it a little more realistic, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. That is the very basics of an eye. And, you can always go a little bit further if you like, if you want to take it there. I will show you how to draw the eyelid. And that is just a light line on top of the oval. So you do a line, an oval shaped line on top of the oval above. And then let's do a line below, an oval shape below. And this is where the eyelashes fall out of. It's less than a ½ inch below the eye. There's just this little space, and that's where the eyelashes come out of. And above, the eyelashes fall under the eyelid, and that's kind of a way to make it look a little bit more realistic. Let's go in and darken the pupil a little bit more, and that is a very beginning level eye. But try and try again, until it feels right. And there you have it, a beginner eye.